Hello and welcome to my first video here on this channel. I'm super excited to show you guys this video. I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel and now here I am. But that's besides the point of this video. Today I'm going to be showing you a video, like a vlog style video of the development of my game that I'm making. I can't give a whole lot of information yet on the game because I don't even know the name of the game yet, but basically it takes inspiration from the game Sort the Court. I don't know if any of you have heard that game, but I saw that game one day and I was like, I want to kind of make a game like that, and so here I am now. It's by no means like a real complicated game or anything. It's not like I'm this great game developer. I'm only 13 years old, but that's no excuse, I know. But here I am now. I'm making a game, and it's going pretty well so far. I was actually originally, for this project, my original project idea was I was only going to make a metronome with just special sound effects and stuff, and then I decided, you know what? I'm gonna make this game because I've had this idea for like months, and now I just decided it was going so well that I might as well just turn it into that, because I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I might as well just give it a try and see how it goes, and so far it's going really well. I've gotten a lot done. I'm having so much fun doing it, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see this video. I've worked so hard on the editing. This is my first video, obviously, so it's not going to be the greatest, but I tried my best. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm definitely new to this, so I know I did a few things wrong, and I know that with the coding I was doing a bunch of stuff that I could have made so much easier if I had done something else, but it's okay. This is kind of a learning experience for me. I'm kind of learning things as I go, because this is my first big project that I've done, and so I'm just learning a whole lot while I'm doing this. So just bear with me while I do this, and hopefully I get the ropes of this soon, and yeah, I don't know when exactly I'm going to post all these videos, probably like every 2 weeks or something. This is only about like 3 weeks of progress, but it's only actually been 2 weeks of working, because one of those weeks I'll explain in the video, but I went to work with another game, but then I went back to this project a week later. So this is about 2 weeks of progress, and yeah, let's get on with the video. I don't know what I just did there. Okay, so day one, working on my new project. I haven't done anything yet, but I'm just about to get started with it. I don't know how this project is gonna go. Honestly, like, I'm really excited for it. I hope it goes well. I think it will go well. I'm really motivated now. I'm hoping to get a little bit done today, but it's gonna take a little while to get all this stuff done because I'm middle of cross-country season, I have basketball and all that. So basically, I'm gonna be trying to work on it as much as possible, working on it on days where I have time, mostly just on weekends. So I don't know how long this project's gonna take me, but yeah, I'm gonna get started for the day. Bye, guys. Okay, so it's been a few days since I last recorded, but I didn't really do anything. I've been pretty busy. I had a cross-country meet that went really well, actually. Got 3rd place. Not gonna brag, but you know, I'm kind of bragging, but you know, I haven't had a lot of time because of all sports and stuff, but today I finally had some time because I have half days on Fridays for school, and so I've just been working on it for this afternoon. The game looks terrible. It really does. I don't have an artist, and I have 0 artistic ability, so it looks terrible, but I think my thinking is that once I do get this project underway and I actually think I have a chance of finishing this project, I might try going on the game development Amino or just somewhere and trying to find somebody who specializes in game art and all of that. But for now I'm just going to stick with the coding and all of that. I have gotten the title screen done. It looks really terrible. You can kind of see it in the background, but you can't really see it because it's that bad. It's like, it hurts my eyes to look at it. It's so bright, but I don't know. We're gonna see where this project goes. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it. I don't even know if I'm gonna publish this video. Because if I don't finish this project or get it somewhere, I'm probably not gonna publish it, but we'll see where the game goes. I'm motivated, like I said the first day I started this, vlogging and all that, but I don't know how motivated I'll stay the entire time. I need to get on to actual gameplay. I've spent about an hour making a title screen. I had like a weird thing I was doing, and I don't know why it took me an hour to make a title screen. It's probably, if I'm being honest, it's because I got distracted, but I'm going to stay on track. I'm going to get this project done, and I'll see you guys later once I've made a little bit more progress, which hopefully I do make more progress. Yeah, bye. Okay, so hello again. It's actually been a really long time since I last recorded. I don't know how long. It's probably been like at least a week. So like some may not consider that very long, but I got a little distracted and I applied for another game and I was doing music for it, but I'm terrible at writing music, and so I wasted like a week on that. But now I'm back to developing this game, and I've actually gotten a lot of work done today. I did a little bit of like research yesterday into some stuff, but then today is the day where I'm actually like doing stuff, and I think today is the most productive I've been out of all these days that I've vlogged, which is really good. I got the dialogue system pretty much, it's good enough for now. I have some ideas for how I can incorporate it so that I don't have just this like long list of dialogue for like every single dialogue in the entire game. But I do have a dialogue system down, and then I have like some animations going too, so that's nice. It still looks terrifying because I'm not very talented at art, like zero talent, like I said in the last clip, but the code is going good. The code is definitely going good. And I don't know why. So the reason why I have never actually done like a big project before yet, like until now, was because I just doubted myself with my programming. Like I don't feel good enough for it. I still don't feel like I'm that good at programming, but now that I'm actually getting going with this project, it's like I actually know what I'm doing. I don't know, like I just need to stop doubting myself more and just do stuff, get stuff done, you know? And I don't know, it's easier once you get through that. Like for some people it's harder for them to like continue with a project for that long, but for me the hard thing is just getting started. Like it takes me a while to do that, but now that I'm actually getting started with it, I realize it's not that hard. The programming is not that hard. Like most I'm really doing right now that I'm spending the most time on is writing the story. I'm writing the story right now, and that's taking me longer than the coding. Like the coding, although I only really come across like little bugs. Like I thought I would just never be able to figure this out. Like I would come across a bug and just not be able to do it, but I haven't really come across anything major. It's just me being kind of stupid, forgetting to turn on auto start. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try to see if I can get, I don't know. So I might get more work done today, I don't know. I'm gonna probably take a break for a little while and maybe like read a book, watch YouTube, stuff like that. But I might get more work done today, this afternoon, that's the word I was looking for. But I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, bye. Okay, so I just got a bunch of work done. Not with anything to do with programming. I found some sprites for like babies on the internet. This is gonna be a temporary sprite for this game. I just want to be able to like differentiate. And then I just took the sprites into GIMP and I edited them a little bit so you can do character customization. And it was kind of, because I didn't actually make the sprites, I didn't make them as layers. So I'm not going to do too many combinations because these are obviously just temporary sprites, but just so that I have like placeholders and stuff. I have a bunch of different variations of different characters. You can have like different skin tones, different hair colors, stuff like that. I'm not doing too much customization yet because first of all, this is just going to be so that I can have a prototype. And also because these are just temporary sprites. So everything is temporary that I'm doing today, but at least I'm getting some work done so that I have placeholders so it's easier to kind of understand the game, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. But like I said before, I have 0 artistic talent. Said it like 3 times already. So basically what I'm doing, the reason why I chose to just take random sprites from the internet was because I know how to edit sprites, but I don't know how to just make it from scratch. So I found just some free ones and this should be good for now, which is good. But I'll leave a link in the description to these sprites if you want to use them. There's a whole bunch of them in this little pack of them, like a ton of them, and they have all different costumes and stuff. I'm thinking like the costume ones, I'm probably going to use them as like toddler life stage placeholders. I don't know, we'll see where it goes. And yeah, I'll definitely have to start working on the menu soon for the character customization, but I do have still a few more to edit. I've only gotten like I've got a lot of them done, and I have like just this folder called babies, and then within the babies folders there's a front view and a profile view, and in both of those there's like boys, girls, and there's just so many I have to make. And it's really inefficient, but you know, it's not even taking me that long to make them, but I don't know. I'm being lazy, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I don't feel like trying to find actual ones because that's going to take me a while, so. But I do want character customization, so that's why I'm deciding to be lazy and what's the other word? I'm kind of being lazy and not lazy at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm gonna finish that. I have a lot of time today because today's Sunday. So I should have some time to finish these sprites and then start working on the customization, and then probably have time to just do whatever I want for the rest of the day, other than basketball practice, because I still have to go to basketball practice, but you know, that's okay. Anyway, bye! It's been a few days since I last recorded, but I have done so much. Although I haven't actually been recording, I've added so much. Like I finished the character customization screen, and the reason I'm not showing it in the background is because it looks terrible, but you can see the code because that looks good, but everything is functional. The dialogue system, I made it even better. Now you can like choose your name, you can choose your gender, so that kind of shows up in the dialogue, which is really cool. So yeah, I finished all of that, and then I've been doing a lot of editing for this video. I'm almost done with it. I just need to add this clip, which I think this is gonna be my last one, and then I'm going to go for a run after this, after I'm done shooting this clip, and then I'm going to probably shoot the beginning of the video where I'm kind of introducing everything. So that'll be the final thing I have to do. It's gonna be the first thing you guys see. But yeah, it's really exciting. I'm almost done with the video. And yeah. So everything's functional. It looks terrible, but it's functional, and that's good. This game is definitely going in a good direction, and I'm really excited to continue working on it because it's going so well right now. And it's really satisfying to finally see that all of this work I put into coding is finally paying off, I guess. Like, I can just implement anything I want, and it's just like I have so much power to do anything I want, and I don't know. It's really cool because I can just, it doesn't take me a lot of time to do stuff. I can just keep adding things. I'm like, oh, I want this in the game, I want this in the game, and I can't add those things because I worked hard for it and now I can do it. And even if my code is not the best, even if it's inefficient, like sometimes I'll put myself down for having code that's really messy or whatever, but I keep reminding myself that I've come so far with my coding. I'm already adding so much. It doesn't matter if my code is messy. It doesn't matter if it's inefficient. It works, and that's something. It's further than you were before, and that's just something I need to kind of remind myself throughout doing this project, because it's just kind of what's getting me through it, and I'm really happy doing it. So I don't know when how often I'll upload these videos, but hopefully I'll definitely keep working on this game, and I'll definitely keep updating you guys on everything that's going on with it. Yeah, bye guys!